Okay, fine. So hello everyone. Sorry, 1 second. Yeah. So hello everyone. Good morning and good evening. So let's start the session. Um. Okay. So last class we were discussing about this edit profile example. Okay. So let me go to this dashboard here. So this is the one. Actually, we don't need this test developer. Delete. Yeah, it's gone. That's fine. Now, yep. There's a button called edit profile. So when I click on this, I got data. Okay, so this data has to be populated here. It's been done, but thing is, we can't able to update. See, when I'm trying to change this, it's not updating in the company. Okay, so what we supposed to do is this data is coming from the state, right? When I change, let me update in the local. I'll do one thing. What I do is 1 minute. In the edit profile component. So when I see this, I got the profile, right? This is profile. So I just do one thing. I just instead of writing this ng model, instead of writing ng model, I will um, I will update manually. Okay, like on change event, I'll just update manually. So we'll just see the manual to a binding process. So first of all, instead of ng model for company, I'll just say the value will be profile dot company. Okay, just check how it is. Yeah, values profile dot company has come, and when I'm updating, I write a function. So change event. Yeah, when the change event occurs, let's say change profile, change profile. I just provide dollar event. Okay, so let me just copy this, go to my edit profile component. So I'll just create a function. So public change profile, and here you get the event. Here you get the event, and this event I'm gonna update in my profile. So how I update is like this. Mm, this dot profile is equal to an object in that dot this dot profile comma event. Let's say event dot target dot name is with the value is event dot target dot value. Okay, so that name and its value is going to update in my profile object. Okay, so let me check here. It is gone. Okay, so when I see, it was your brains technologies, where was that? Here. So when I change to something called software, it's not updating. Yeah, it's came. So UI brains technologies software has come. Okay, so it's been updated. So this way I want to update it. Okay, for all the fields. Okay, fine. Now um I can just say, yeah, for all this I'll make it. Let me just copy. Instead of ng model, I just write this one. So this is value website, and same function. This is value location, same function, and here. Actually, it's not change event, dude. It's actually input event. As soon as you type it, I want to change it. This input event, input event, input event. Okay, that's fine. So all. Let me just copy, give it for here. This is for designation, and skills. Same story. skills, and biography also same. Biography and GitHub username also. GitHub username. Okay, that's fine. But what about social? For social, I'll update. I'll just make a separate what? I'll just make separate function because if I update like that, only name as it is, it's substitute in the profile. But I need in the profile object, social object. I want to update, right? So can I do one thing? I create another function here. I create another one that is change profile. Let's say change profile social social. So how I do is in the profile objects, keep the profile objects, and in that exactly the social object. In the social object, I want to update it this way. So let's say dot 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 profile this dot profile dot social. Keep hold of all the social data, and then inside the name and value I'm gonna update. So let me call this function there. Okay, so this is the one I replace, but only thing is this is change profile social. Okay, so let's copy this, make it for Twitter. This is, oh sorry, it's a Facebook. Sorry, it's a social dot Facebook, social dot Facebook, and this is social dot Twitter. Okay, and let's copy. This is social dot YouTube. This is social dot LinkedIn. Okay, fine. Oh, lastly, one more, Instagram. Social dot Instagram. That's fine, I guess. Now let me try to change something. I have to understand social is updating or not. For example, Hyderabad. I'll just change to Bangalore. Is it updated? Where it was? Yeah, Bangalore updated. And when I change something else, like director to senior project manager, so it's been changed. Okay. So social will be where? Social is in the starting. Your brains. So I'll just update to something blah blah blah. So it is updated. That's fine. So my state is getting updated, and when I click on this update button, so it's supposed to update in database the particular profile and also redirect to dashboard page, the same page, and where you can see the updated content. Okay, your profile. Actually, that this profile is for no experience and education. Okay, so you can't see here, but if you update the profile, you can go to developers, you can go to your name, and you can check your profile, is it updated or not. This one, yes, profile information, name, social links and all, you can check. Okay, those things you can check. Okay, Hyderabad, these things and all you can check. Okay, fine, and let me try that now to update profile. I don't need to print it because it's already confirmed that it is updating the state. So now let me comment that pre-tag profile not required. Okay, fine. So update means is a function call. So for the form, I'll say submit event. Let's say submit update profile, submit update profile, submit event and update profile. Copy. So let's go to edit profile here. What I say public submit update profile, and here you have to dispatch an action to send data to the server. So update profile, actually we have not made anything here. I think we don't have any action, I guess. Let me go to the profile actions, check. So we have only load profile, delete experience, delete education, those things. But update profile actions is not there. So to update the profile, first we have to understand the router. Okay, let's open a router. So here, update create profile logic. We'll make a create profile later. Uh, update profile. Yeah, this one. So you have to make this one and you have to provide all the fields like username, email, and everything we have to get. Social links also we have to get. So these things. Okay. So let's send it now. Okay. And how to do? We have to make an action. We have to write a service. We have to write reducer and fx. Okay. So let's move on to. Can we write a service first for this? Let's go to the profile services. Yep. So go to profile services. Yep, here. Delete experience, delete education. That's fine. And let me copy. This is just making for update profile. Update profile. So this will be an update profile. So for profile, what is you're expecting? The whole profile object, right? So that only contains all the things, right? So let's take the profile object of type I profile. We have to provide, and the URL goes to be API slash profiles, API slash profiles. Only that's one. Okay, and here what type of request? Put request, private access. Okay, so this will be the put request, and you need to provide data URL as well as the profile. Okay, data URL and profile object you have to send to the server. It's a put request. That's fine. And also, what is that comes back? What is that comes back from the response is you get the profile object again. Okay, so in this service what I written, yes, I get back the profile also. Only profile I get back. That's fine. This is what your update profile service. So for this, based on we have to make actions and all. So it takes profile, returns also profile. Okay. So let me try with an action. Copy this. So let's make an action. This is for update profile. Update profile. Just say update profile. This is also update profile. Okay. So here you have to provide what? The profile as the input of type I profile. Provide I profile, and this is update profile success, update profile failure, and also make the same update profile copy. So success and also the failure. Okay, so you take input as profile, you get back the output also profile, and failure obviously string. That's fine. So action ready. Let's make a reducer. Go to profile reducer, not there. Um, Profile reducers. Yeah, here. So profile reducer. So let's add an action. Just say update profile. So on profile actions dot update profile, comma function. So here you have a state and also the props, that is profile, and return something dot state, and also this loading flag for updation is true, and any the same way. Let's grab it, copy, so paste. So this is update profile successful, and this will be update profile failure. Okay, update profile successful, you get back the profile. So that profile I want to update in my local profile. So just say the profile, the updated profile value will be the profile. Okay, because as soon as the profile data updated, I need to have that updated profile in my local store, right? Because this is what we display on the screen. Okay, and for failure you get the error, you get the error. So, and also please make this as false. This is false, and this like error message will be the value as error. Okay, that's fine. So profile updation, this reducer is done. So service action reducer. Let's start with effects. So move on to profile effects. Yep, here. Let me just copy this. paste it. So this will be update profile of type update profile. Here profile service dot update profile. So you have to provide action dot profile. The whole profile you have to send it to server, and in this, yeah, here you get back. See, once this is successful called, you get the profile from the server, and this you have to do update profile success. You have to pass on the profile, and then update profile failure. Fine. And also one more thing. So as soon as update profile is successful, why can't you display the nice alert message that profile got updated? Okay. From server, are you getting anything? Okay. From server, I'm not getting any confirmation message. That's okay. We'll write our own confirmation message. Okay. It is giving a new profile. So if you get a successful thing, you can write your own, or you can send a message from here, your wish. So how I set, I mean here, how I set the confirmation message alert. If you want to get the alert, you need to import alert. So let's say, I think developer actions I'm not using. So import star as alert actions from // actions slash, I think not there, // uh, root slash util slash alert slash, where I'm going, slash dot slash, no, one second, huh? Actually we have done it for user profile, na? User fx, let me check. Where was that? I think in root actions, util actions. Yeah, here it is. Oh, okay, okay. It is there in util actions of root folder. Okay, okay, fine. So it will be profile fx, na? Yeah. So import star as util actions from import star as yeah, uh what, dot slash root slash util slash, not big, actually we made two util, that's the problem. Dot slash root slash util slash, again a letter, what happening? uh if I okay, let me find out manually. i am in I am in profile fx folder. If you come out two times, there you can see the root folder, actions is there, na? Action slash util action, correct, this is the one, util actions, yeah. So what I do is, so once it is update profile successful, comma, util actions dot set alert util, what is this? Okay, so this expects set alert utils is expects two things, an object like a message and the color. Okay, so let's provide something. What is that props you provide is message will be profile is updated, profile is updated, it's got stuck. Okay, and the color goes to be the success, no semicolon actually, because it's an array. Okay, fine. So once this is successful, you get the alert message, profile is updated with green color message. That's fine. And one more thing is, once you update the, one second, once you update the profile, it's supposed to go to dashboard page, right? Okay. So how to make dashboard page uh, convert to, okay, redirection. So redirection, you have to get the router first. So private router of type capital router, Angular router. Okay, how you redirect? Mostly we have done in user effects, right? User effects. We have to get the same. In user effects, we have done the routing logic. In users effects, grab the one. Yeah, anything is fine. Copy. Go to profile effects. Yeah, here I'll just make for. Okay, so if update profile is success, redirect to dashboard page. Okay, so how I go to dashboard page? Yeah, this is the one, profiles slash dashboard. Nice. And what is that thing? Thing will be, mm, where is that? Here only, update profile success. Copy. So let's make it update profile success. So this is profile actions dot update profile success. Okay, update profile success, navigate to dashboard page. Okay, that's fine. So we are done with actions, reducers, effects, services, done. Let's move on to our component back. This is my component, edit profile component. So here you have to dispatch an action. Do we have profile import? Profile actions is there, yes. So you can call now. So this dot store dot dispatch what? Profile actions dot update profile. You need to provide a props called profile will be my this dot profile. Why this dot profile? The profile, the local data. This is what we have updated locally, now the state. That's what I send here, and this will take care about sending to server, redirect to dashboard, and you get the alert, all the things. Let me try now. Yeah, here. Let me go from dashboard. Yeah. So see here in my developers, this is my name. Director is there. I have to change it. Okay. So I'll just go to my dashboard page. So I have login. I can change mine. So edit profile. The person who login, they can edit their own profile. Okay, so here director is there. I'll change to something called senior project manager, something. Okay, and then I click on update. It's supposed to go to see profile updated, and it's been gone to dashboard. And when I check if any errors, no error. Wow, super! First time without any error. Okay, update profile successful. It set the alert and you load the profile because this page loaded all the profile. And also please check your content now. Go to, actually you can update, you can check in database also. If I go to profiles and refresh, see myself designation was changed to senior project manager. Okay, so you can check here also dashboard, not dashboard, developers. See, it's been changed to senior project manager. See, it is changed. Okay, so Hyderabad is there. I'll change to Bangalore. Dashboard, edit profile. I'll update to where is that? Hyderabad. Let's change Bangalore. Okay, update profile updated. Back to developers. Yeah, it's been Bangalore. It's Bangalore. And database you can check. See Bangalore. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So profile is getting updated. That's successful. And let's start with add experience, add education. So you already have experience in education. So we usually used to create education and all here, right? But that's supposed to happen from here, from the form. Okay. So now the moment I click on this add experience, you need to have a form to add a new experience. So the form looks like this one. I think it is here. Okay, here it is. In this, yeah, edit profile done. Add experience. You need to have all input groups with this one. Okay, let's make it now. This one, this setup. Add experience. I'll just go to close all. close all. Where is this page? Add experience, it belongs to profiles, close all. Yeah, app, profiles, components, add experience, component, done. So here, let's make a design. What? So add means it's a completely fresh data, correct? Na? Adding. So freshly you're adding, right? So it's a fresh data. So nothing to read from the state or something. Just you have to one way. Just you have to fill in data and submit to the server. Keep in the store. That's it. Okay. So add experience. I guess this is normal section and all. Section with the class called P3. Okay. One container, one row, single column, single column. Next, let's add a p.h3. So let's say add experience. Let's say add experience. Yeah, let's add I tag. Class called fe minus user cog. Oh, the timeline user with timeline. I think user clock or something. Okay, and this will be your text tail. And also let me write a paragraph. Let's say lorem 30 tab. Okay, let's check. Okay, add experience, fine. And let's make the whole form title, company, and all this is all input groups. Can I get the input groups from there? Okay, let's write separate section for that. Okay, because in future I have to make a separate child component. Okay, that's why separate section. You can take this to separate file. Yeah, here section container on row call md8 8 column layout. Just take a form as it is, no card, nothing, just form. Here you must supposed to write input group. Let me go to Google, go to Bootstrap. Here, go to the docs. Yeah, here actually we are using 4.5 version because structure and all change. Actually, the website got changed. So uh, forms, not forms, input groups. I need this input group username and this one. Let me grab this setup. Input group, and it's not at the rate. It's supposed to be title. Okay, and we don't need, I guess, ID and all not required. So we remove all unnecessary things, and area label and all not required. Placeholder also not required. Na? Anyway, title is there now. Why placeholder and all not required? Okay, that's very simple now. Check it out. Okay, you get this title, but colors and all will be background light and text tail. So I guess this one, busy light, text tail will be, yeah, this fine. But this is too much light now. Actually, we given some different color no for something about, yeah, this one. What is this one? BG light something was there. Yeah, this buttons also we given that. I guess it will be BG light gray. Okay, this our own class. So you get dashboard, add experience. Yes, this one. This nice. Okay, we'll maintain the same color for all. Okay, and title is done. Actually, for experience, what will be there? If you can go to the profile, you understand. So you can go to the profile model. Yeah, you can see now. For experience, you have all this title, company, location, from to. From to is the date, current is a checkbox, and description text area. So location, this you can make now. So copy. So title, company, location, check it out. Yeah, title company location is there now. I'm not writing the placeholder because it's already there here, right? That's fine. Along with that, I need data. Yeah, from to. Can I copy this? Yeah, I'll just copy this. So I make from and to. So this will be from and this will be to, and type will not text box. There is that, yeah, here it's a data and it's a date selection. Let me check. Okay, so from to is a date selection. That's fine. And one more from to. Okay, in between current is there. Current one checkbox is there and description. Okay, let's write description first. Copy this. So this is for description. Yeah, for description, this will be a text area. So text area, let's say add some rows, some 3 rows, uh, form control. Okay. Okay, description fine. But in between from and to, you have a checkbox for current. Okay. But how I make a checkbox between from and to? From and to here. Let's write one division. Yeah, checkbox. Checkbox actually from bootstrap forms. Form check label something over there. Let's write some basic checkbox. Here is a checkbox, na? Yeah, check me out something. Hmm. Grab this. Yep, that's fine. It's not check me out. It's called current. Current. Yeah, I this that's fine. Check it out. Okay, so is there current? Can I give some teal color or something? Or you can make some box or something for that. Uh, no, no, no. Okay, keep it as just you have to check the select correct current. Actually, plan is if you select the current, no. If you check the current, I will disable to date logic, no. Because if it is a current job, then why to date not required? Okay, that's why. If you don't check, I'll enable this one. So I want to enable or disable the to field according to the check what you do on this current. That's the reason why I made this here. Okay, you may have a current ongoing experience also, right? That's why. So yeah, lastly we need to have update button and back button. Back button goes to dashboard page. Update button is going to submit the form and go to dashboard page. Okay. So lastly one division. Let's write one input type is equal to submit the class called btn minus teal btn minus sm. Let's add a value just say what is this update. Okay, along with this I have just an icon, sorry, anchor tag. It's supposed to go to dashboard page. So let's go with anchor tag. This will be a router link. So let's say slash profiles slash dashboard. Okay, that's a link. Class btn minus light light gray something we given. Let's say background bg light gray btn a small button. Let's say back. Check it out. Okay, but it's color I want to be dark. Text to dark. I want some space in the bottom. Just write as of now one small division. Style margin bottom. Actually, you can give margin bottom for this guy. The whole section you can give margin bottom. That's better actually. Instead of writing inline styles, MP5 maximum. Okay, at least this much space will come. That's fine. Yeah, so add experience is made, only form is made. We have to bind data. First, so before I bind data, when I select the current, I want to disable this guy. Okay, I have to give a connection between them. Okay, so how I do is take a variable public, let's say is current of type boolean is equal to false. Initial value is false. Okay, and if I check the checkbox, let me connect this guy with let me connect this with my checkbox. How I connect ng model, but profile ng model, yeah, you can write because we already done the form data under, right? Yeah, go to current here for a checkbox, ng model is current. Okay, current one. um okay, so if I check it, I want to change its value. I think it will update automatically, no? So can I check once below this pre-tag expression is current, how it will be? Yeah, it's false. It's not changing, man. uh, I need this value. If you bind it, it's supposed to work, right? uh, it's not updating. What is the problem? Or can I write manually? But it's supposed to work. Public boolean, if I just declare, it doesn't matter. If you just declare also is a false only. Oh, nothing is there. If I check, uncheck, nothing working. Any problem? Oh, okay, okay, got it. Problem is there. Problem is you get the error. Name field is not there. Name attribute should be set now. That's a problem. Yeah, I forgot. Some name field should be set because ng model work with the name field. Na? Is current. Okay. So once you set and keep the value back to false, you have to have some value. Okay. So like this, yeah, it's working. Depend on this, I want to make it simply for my to field. This is to field, na? ये जो input date है ना, disabled is current. Okay, if I select the current, then it will be disabled. To will be disabled. Okay, so based on this value. So let me delete this. Not required. It's updating. So here by default enable. If at the moment you select current, this will be disabled. You can't enter anything. Enable, disable like this. Okay, that's fine. Okay, fine. So you have to bind data back to the profile and all. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let's say public experience. You want only experience or the complete profile you have to send? Uh, oh wait, for add experience to update the. I mean, you have to update the experience, right? For updating experience, what we supposed to do? You are sending only this one. You are sending only experience object. So complete profile binding not required actually. You just need to bind only this one. So it means even if you go to the service, sorry, you have to go to router. Where is that? Profile router. See, when you're trying to update the experience, not this one, not this one. Yeah, update experience of a profile. You just only need to provide these things. Okay, name, title, and all. So it is just an experience of it. Okay. So can I create a variable called public experience uh, of type I profile dot, can I get this? Oh, you can't do uh, experience dot profile. Actually, you can't do because it is not a publicly declared one. Yeah, then go there, go inside a profile. Can I make this export also? For experience, I'll make export because I can just use only that field to send. Education also, I'll make export. Okay, so I can use this directly. I can use directly. Correct now? So fine. So experience, I'll just take experience directly is equal to an object as experience. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so which contains all the fields as we expected all. Okay, current also boolean. Fine. Now this data we have to bind it in the HTML just using ng model. So can you do one thing? Then why we create is current variable extra? We can manage with experience data also, na? Let's try. Let's try. Okay, I'll tell you. Now title. Let's say the name is equal to title. ng model. ng model is experience dot title. Okay, copy this and here company. So name company. This is experience dot company. Next location. This is location. This is location. And this is from date. From date. This is also from date. Let's say from. And for current, can I do the same? Paste it. This is not required. Yeah, this is current. This will be current. Okay, so depend on this value I'll update. Let me copy. Can I make this is experience dot current? That's perfect. Why to create extra variable not required? I'll just check it. It'll work, man. It'll work. So now here, this is to experience dot to. Lastly, the description. So this is description. This also description. Okay. Let me see the form data how it's getting modified somewhere in the pre tag expression experience of type JSON format. Okay, that's empty objects. Empty object, no fields, huh? Okay, let me try. Title updating, company updating, location updating. Let me check the current. Yeah, see, it's working. Okay, but description. But problem will be if I select the current, current will be true. Then what about the two? See, two is not added here. Actually, if you disable this, if you disable this will be two will be enabled and you can select something. Correct now. If I select this, then what happen? This guy will be empty. If the two field is empty, server throws error actually because server it is looking for two. Oh, two is not there. Okay, okay, fine. Two is optional. Only from is enough. Two is optional. Current also optional here. Okay, then happy. Then obviously what is received that will only update there. Okay, maybe it's coming as undefined then. Body dot to. If the object doesn't have any property, then you get the undefined now. Okay, okay, we'll see how it's getting updated in database. At least we'll see here. Okay, that's fine. Updating. Let me delete this. Design not required. So in HTML, I don't need this setup. So once it is done, you need to submit the form and dispatch an action, right? Once it is done, dispatch an action for submit. And also when I click on back button going here, Yes, it's going to dashboard, add experience back. That's fine. Okay, just update. Update for the form. I'll say submit event. Submit update experience one function. Copy. Go to here. The TS file. I just create public submit experience. So here you have to dispatch an action, right? So here you have to dispatch an action for submitting of it. But before submit, let's create a service, action, reducer, effect, call. Service. Service belongs to profile service. Where is profile service? Here, profile service, and also profile router is there. Yeah, happy. We can easily find that out. Okay, it's not required. Profile service. Let me copy. This is for add experience. Add experience. This will be add experience. You have to provide this experience object. Let's say experience object you provide. Okay, and what is the path is this is the path up to experience. So provide that over here. Okay, and also yeah, what type of request it is? It's a put request. Yeah, I made a put only. Okay, and data and experience object you provide. Data URL and experience object you substitute to the server. Okay, and then what is the return type? In return you get back the profile only. Okay, the updated profile only you get. Okay, I get the profile back. This is fine. You get the profile only back. Correct, na? You get back the profile object, the whole profile you get back. Okay, that's fine. Add experience. Can I write for add education also? Time being. So why you waste your time on creating education and all? So can I just copy this? Add education. Same story because that's also form only, na? So when you see here, add experience like this, education like this. Simply school degree change, field of study will change, everything same. Okay, so let's say add education. This is education object. This is also education. Yeah, I have exported now. So path will be simply this is delete. Yeah, update education. Education is a path. Copy. So education. This will be the education object. That's fine. Remaining are all same. I guess here also you get back the profile object. In return, you get the responses profile object. So I made a profile object. That's fine as it is. Only path change, object change, education experience. Fine. So service ready. Let's move on to actions. So profile actions. So what profile actions is actions, profile actions. Yeah, here let me grab someone. Okay, here update experience. Yeah, this will be not updated, just add experience. Okay, just say add experience and same thing I'll copy. Add experience success, add experience failure because deal with server, and this is add experience copy, add experience success, add experience failure. Okay, for add experience input will be experience object of type experience object, and output will be profile objects, and this will be error as it is. Correct now? See, it will take experience, get back the profile. Same story right here. Takes experience, output success is profile. Same story. Copy this. Uh, copy this. I go to here and paste it. Yeah, add education. So simply, can I do one thing? Simply copy this. I'll just go here. Wherever experience is there, control find, replace with education. Right. Everything fine now? Education object. Okay. Copy. And I'll make here add education. Yeah, don't you have education? Import education class is not there. Yeah, this lowercase education is there, no man. Is there profile object? Okay, fine. So add education, take the education, update profile. You get the profile string. Success done. So actions ready. Move on to reducer or reducer profile reducer. Move on to reducers profile reducers. Yep, here let's make a comment. Add experience. Okay, let's grab on function on profile actions dot profile actions dot add experience comma, you get the state, and also this is a experience object you get is a prop return what normal, this normal state, and also this loading flag for spinner true. Okay, let's copy this. Made a mistake. Comma is a parameters, all parameters. Okay, so add experience, fine. Add experience, success, failure. Okay, so input will be experience, output will be profile objects, and you update the profile. But how I update the profile? Wait one second. Here you get the error, and let's make loading false, loading false, and let's say error message will be the error. Okay, so you get the whole profile, but how you update this guy? Uh, you can replace the whole profile, but if you replace, will it detect is a question. If I update now, it'll come here. It's supposed to detect. If it detect, I mean, it if it display the content is fine. If not, we have to write the manual update for the experience. I think it'll update because we subscribe to store now. So if you change in the store, automatically it's supposed to come. But in React, we do manual process. I think Angular it will come automatic because subscribe, no. So in React, we don't have subscribe option. Yeah, let me try. I'll just update the profile as this. Profile is a profile. Okay, done. Why can't you write a education also? Education. एक काम करते हैं. Copy this, replace education. Control F. Replace education all. So education profile, education objects. Fine. If something wrong, we get to know. Copy. So comma paste education. That's fine. Only problem is yeah, it's not low. It's a lowercase education. Okay, and profile, update the profile. XP education failed. That's fine. That's fine. This is very simple. Okay, so redis are also ready. Move on to FX. Go to FX. What effect? Profile FX. Go to profile FX. Yeah, profile FX. Let me grab this effect for education. This is the one. Profile FX. What is that we write as earlier? Oh, many things we write. Delete experience, delete education. I think this should be in the ending. First we made delete, no? Then we made this thing, no? Okay. Arre. Oh, I missed something. Yeah, cut it. I just missed the order, so I just keep here. So load profile we did, delete experience, delete education, and this is last just recently we did, no, just now. And now here, or it doesn't matter for application, but at least for our understanding purpose. Okay, so one more effect for education experience. So let's say add add experience. Okay, add experience. What's the problem? Load profile, fine. This is fine. This is fine. Update profile. Duplicate code fragment. Okay, okay. Wait. We'll change. The same copy pasted code is saying. Yeah, I know. This is add experience. Now it will go away. No, I think it's still not updated. Yeah. So profile service dot add experience. You have to provide the experience object, and then call. You get back the profile again. This is add experience successful. You get a profile there, and alert. Yeah, you can just say experience is added. New experience now added. That's fine. And this is add experience failure. That's fine. One more thing is if experience added successfully, I want to redirect to dashboard page again. Right here also dashboard page. ये जो है ना, here also once you update back to dashboard page only. So let me grab this. So if add experience is success, redirect to dashboard page. So the thing will be this one and dashboard. That's fine. Add experience success dashboard. Okay, and same story. Can I copy this? Add education, add education, add education. This is education object. Add education success. Set util education is added. Okay, let's see add education failure. Anything we miss? Education. That's fine. And also simply copy this guy, paste it. So add education is success. This also push to dashboard page. Just grab the education success. Keep education success. Okay, that's fine. So we are done with all. Service action reducer effects, router configuration, everything made. Call it from my TS file here, dispatch. Before I dispatch, we need to have a lot of things. What things? Store. Inject the store here. So private store of type store. This will be your state, the globalist state. More number of dots reducer. This is the one. Profile reducer is there. Yep. Then you have to import because you have to call an action, right? What action? Profile action. So import star as profile actions from slash action slash profile actions. Reducer not required because we are not fetching anything from store. We are only sending to store. Action is enough. Okay. So when dispatch here, this dot store dot dispatch what profile actions dot add experience provided with what provided with property experience will be my this dot experience. That's fine. That's fine. But one question I have is okay, anyway, you are updating the experience, but here current, if you select the current, two will be undefined. If two is undefined, maybe my what? Maybe my router takes two value. For example, here, where is profile? Yeah, here. Maybe my router is not checking for a validation of two field. From field only is checking, but two field is coming dot two. Correct, na? So I just check here. I'll just check. Otherwise, I can keep empty value inside that. Okay, that's my plan. Okay, I can check here. If I say request dot object dot two, if object is not provided, the property not provided in the there, I get undefined. No, if it is there, okay. If two is there, actually I can test it manually. No, only backend you can test it. If we don't provide two, what's supposed to happen? Let me test this out without providing two. What happened? Then client and all we understand. Yeah, for experience, if I don't provide the two, okay, I only provide us current true. Okay, if this is the case, what it's happened? Current true or two property not even added. Okay, so it's an optional field, na? That's why it's not even added. If not even added, not looks good, na? If not added, then while fetching, it says no data property and all this confusion will happen. So 1 minute, let me delete that guy. How I delete? You can't delete. Oh, we can delete. Delete is there, na? Delete experience is there, right? Yeah, what is ID? A wala ID. Two is not there, so two will not come if you don't give. Okay, so then experience. I just provide the ID of that. Send it. Deleted, I guess. Yeah. So from two is there. Okay. So you must have to provide a two field at least empty data. Okay. So can I do one thing? If two is not provided, that is some empty should come. Okay. I'll just check if it is there. Then request dot body dot two. Otherwise, just empty string you take. Okay. This way. If it is there, the content, if content is there, you add it. Otherwise, get the empty string in the place of it. Okay, current, I think if you don't provide value will become false, no? 1 minute, what is that profile table? Profile table, current will be by default value false. If you provide current, if you don't provide the current, it will become false automatically. So current, don't bother. Two only you bother. And same story for education also, you get the problem. So education also, simply, where is that? Where it's somewhere now. Oh, 1 minute. Update experience. Yeah, the same thing. Copy. Add for education also. Education also same thing. Make it. Now it will be happy. So two field also will come. At least empty data will come. That's fine. So let's try. Um, go to developers dashboard experience. Yeah, let's try now. Are we dispatch in action? Yeah, I dispatch. So super. Let me try now. Okay, title. Some first of all, what was that? See, only two are there. Experience detail. Junior developer, senior developer is there. Let me try the current one. Okay. So up to 2017 is there. From 2017, what? Add experience. Let's say tech lead. Tech lead. Company Infosys. Location Bangalore. From from which date you can select? 2017 August 18 from today's date. Okay. Is it the current job? Yes, it's a current job. Something like this. Okay, and description. Develop projects on Angular and React JS. Okay, something, and just click on update. So it's supposed to get, yes, experience added, super. Yes, it's come. 2 is nothing because the current one, but current should be display, na? That's fine. If not display means is the current one. Yeah, tech lead added, right? So go database, obviously it will be there. Why to check? See, experience. Yeah, the latest one. Tech lead Infosys added. 2 is just empty string added. Okay, current has come true because I checked the current, na? That's why. Okay, so if you want delete, you can just click on delete. That's gone. And then refresh. You have only two. This two. That's fine. Super. Uh, okay. Try education. Same story like this type of setup. You have to make it for education as well. Same setup. Can I do one thing? Same thing. I'll copy paste. Yeah, for to add experience. Add experience. I'll just simply copy the whole setup. Go to add education. Add education. HTML. I replace. So what are all the things you have to change? First to add education. Education will be FEA minus graduation gap. Okay. Function name add education. Okay. Title and all will not be there. School and all will be there. But before that, let me grab this setup. Go to add education.ts file. Replace. So here it's not experience. It is education of type education. This is also education. Fine. Store and all fine. Update education. Add education. We already done this, right? Actions and all. So education will be this dot education. So TS file is pretty well, nothing to do. But only thing is in the HTML you modify something. Like education fine. This will be school. This is education dot school, and this will be school. Okay, and then I think this will be degree. So education dot degree. This will be degree. This will be field of study. Field of study, and this is education dot field of study. Copy this and paste it. Fine, and remaining and all same, but only thing is education dot from, education dot current, education dot to, education dot current to enable or disable, education dot description. Simply same. Update button, dashboard back. That's fine. Simply update. So it doesn't. It just general update button. Okay, no experience or education. That's fine. Check it out. This is just for experience, no? Yeah, back button, add education. Yeah, it's came. Super. Degree, field of study and all, that's fine. Let me try, okay? If not working, we'll see. Okay. Yeah, so education, only one Oxford school, some olden days. That's fine. Let's add new. Add education. Let's say, I don't know, something IIT Bangalore. It's not mine, okay? IISC Bangalore is there. IISC Bangalore, degree, masters, field of study, computer science, date, some around 2011 August today. Is current? No, not current. Old. Uh, will be 2012 August date. Okay, description. Uh, to study masters in Where? In computer science. Computer science. And click on update. Let's check. Education added. Super. Check. Yeah, ISC Bangalore. It is added. If it is added, you go to developers page. Go this guy. View profile. No data. Oh, something wrong. Supposed to come, na? Education experience data is not coming. We have to fix this. Actually, my plan is here it is coming, right? Education experience is coming. Okay, if I go to developers, public data, if I click on view profile, it's supposed to come. Any error here? You got a lot of errors, man. Cannot read property Facebook of undefined developer component line number developer details same this component only line number 25 Facebook of undefined only Facebook, huh? Only Facebook name line number 51. Yeah, some issues there in profile details. So okay, this is fine, no issue. But profile details is the problem. Developer details, huh? Developer details, huh? Developer details, HTML. What was the problem? Facebook and all, huh? Experience, okay. Facebook and all, where? Here, no? Biography, yeah, social dot Facebook. Developer object, I check, no? Has developer, I check it, right? If developer is there, social also will be there, no? If developer is there, social also will be there. Maybe social got messed up. Check my database once. Skills is there. Let me refresh. Yeah, skills is there. Social. See, social data itself is not there. So it means last time when we do education and all fine. Okay, social object is not updated. Maybe this problem happened because earlier social was there, no? Maybe the problem happened when we do this edit profile, na? Here we added social and all. See, social data itself is not there. It's gone. So maybe everything fine, but social is a child object of nested object, right? Maybe that data was not updated. That's the issue. But we didn't check that. It said updated, but social was corrupted. Social data was corrupted. Maybe social we didn't check the required key or something. Okay, so we have to check this part. This is having a problem. Social. Actually, let me move on to this is not a problem. If social is there, it will come. So if social not there is the issue. But social why it is not updated properly. Go to which page? Profiles, components, edit profile. Yeah, here is a problem. HTML, okay. Components. You update the profile object, right? But in the profile object, there. Can we do one thing? Instead of looking for the profile, I just create a separate object, public social objects of type social. I think social not exported. Do one thing, export social also. That's better. Social also. So social is equal to an empty object as social. Okay. So only social special objects. So in HTML also I update every social thing will be yeah instead of looking for profile.social I'll simply say social.facebook. Okay, social.facebook, social.twitter, social.youtube, social.linkedin, social.instagram. Fine. But we this also we have to change, no? So change profile social is there. This if I go there, yeah, here you don't need to update the local profile object. I'll just say this dot social is equal to an object dot 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 this dot social along with that key and value. Copy and paste it. Yeah, social gets update. Okay, let me check the social now. I just simply display the social somewhere in the bottom. I'll write Facebook and all here now. Yeah, I write here expression social JSON. Okay, so here, yeah, social all are undefined because that's no data from their server. Undefined. I'll say something. Yeah, Facebook, Twitter, this one, this one. Okay, it is updating. So now this social you need to add to there. Okay, understood. So is updating. So then display not required. Simply while substituting what I do is I'll just say this dot profile dot social is equal to this dot social. I update social manually to the profile object. Now the source profile contain the social, send it to server. I guess that's fine. Okay. And also safe side what I do. Server side once I receive data, I want to print it. Correct, no? Because I wanted to see is a problem with server or client, you understand? So where is that update profile? Update profile, not experience. Update, yeah, here is update profile. Update profile, right? So let me print it. What I print, the complete profile fields. I'll print it here. Before I am trying to update the profile fields, I'll print it. Console.log profile fields. Is it really updating properly or not? We'll understand now. Server side confirmation. Okay, and one more. The same problem will come for create profile also. We are not done create profile. There also you get the same type of problem. So we have to fix it now itself. Okay, that's fine. So what to do? Send it again. Send again. Yeah, calling and all we have made internally. Only thing social links. Can I grab the social links from here? Somewhere we made na create profile of a user. Yeah, this one. Copy. Go to here. So, array none defined is coming. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. This one. Okay, so Facebook. This is facebook.com. Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, LinkedIn.com, Instagram. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me check my database now. It's social object, nothing is there. Even though after refresh, it's supposed to update properly. So update, update. Some error. Cannot add property social object. Object is extensible. Oh, in my edit profile component, line number 47. Here, line number 47, it says this one. Oh, you can't add a profile like this. You can't add like this. Then how you manage? It's saying profile dot. You can't do. Can I do one thing? I'll do like this. Let profile of type I profile is equal to empty object as as iProfile. I'll do like this. Okay, local data. Now, so profile is equal to um, 1 second, or else I do like this. An object dot 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 this dot profile object, comma. mm, if I substitute social object dot 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 this dot social object. Okay, so profile object substitutes, social object also gets substitute inside. And ye wala profile, I'll just send it here only. Not this dot profile, my local profile, I'll send it. Already this dot profile I substitute here na. So total object, profile object also will be there, social object also will be there, and this will send to server. I guess it has to work. Yeah, but our logic is we have to write again. We have to update again. Okay, at least ABCD will add. I just wanted to see that how it is updating. Okay, what to update? Update is successful. So check your URL database social. Yeah, super. It's come. Oh, that's how you have to do. Okay, so happy. But thing is, if I go to developers name, yeah, no error. It's happy. So you get everything. Oxford, ISC Bangalore also has come. But only problem is these guys are the ABCD links will be there. The ASDF is coming here. Correct? Yeah, that's fine. That's updating. But now I don't need ABCD something. Edit profile. Okay, one more issue. Edit profile. Undefined is coming. Why undefined is coming? Can't we read data here? Profile data is coming. Social links are still coming undefined. Is there na? If you refresh, data is there. Let me log in one more time. Maybe log in with password. Login. Success. Go edit profile. Undefined. So problem in reading the data from the store also from the store. Okay, let me print it once in the edit profile somewhere in the actually profile object is coming. Social object how it come? So in the profile object, is it not getting the social? Okay, got it. Problem is, I tell you, you're reading the profile now. Okay, social I have not updated. The social variable I have not updated here. See, understood now? Profile declared, profile updated from the store. That's what has come. So social value just declared but not updated. That's why it's not come. So write an extra line. This dot social is equal to this dot profile dot social. If you write this one, it will also populate. Now you get all ASDF should come. Refresh. Yeah, it's came. Okay, only this line was missing. You need to get it because we have taken separately, na? So we have to read also separately. Store. So happy. So let's make uh, copy. So this will be what? Facebook. This will be Twitter. This will be YouTube. This will be LinkedIn. This will be Instagram. Okay, update, updated. So go check edit profile. You got data. Go database, refresh, social objects, data updated, and I go to developers. Yeah, I click on the view profile, no error. I got data. So keep a cursor. See, it's coming facebook.com. That's fine. So education data also has come, experience also has come. Okay, that's fine. And skill set you want to add. See, Angular React is there. If you want to add a Bootstrap extra skill set, go to dashboard, edit profile, skills, comma, Bootstrap, and JavaScript, comma separated. Okay, updated. Go to developers, your person. See, JavaScript Bootstrap has come. Okay, fine. So we made up to where dashboard is done, right? We can add a profile, delete a I mean, we can update a profile, done. Add experience is done. Add education is done. Okay. So this is the page where you edit the profile. If existing profile is there, you edit. But one more condition you check is if one new person has login. See, I have a profile through backend. I have updated. That's fine. But if new person registered, for him no profile will be there. So there should be a functionality to create a profile. Okay. So in the same dashboard, I'll check the profile object is there or not for the user. If not there, I'll make a button for create profile. This thing and all will not display. Create profile option will be there. There you can create a profile. Once a profile created, this thing will come. This page will come. Okay, that is one. And one more link also will come for post. You can create a post, update the post. You can comment, like, dislike, those things. Okay, so we will discuss those things in the next class. Okay, and
हेलो सर।
हाँ,
और कितने दिन है?
और कितने दिन है? और मैक्सिमम 25 और 26 लास्ट। ये प्रोजेक्ट को और दो या 3 दिन लगेगा। If you take class tomorrow, tomorrow I am not available. Sunday also not possible. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday ये हो जाएगा. This project will finish. 2 days finish. Last day up like deployment. Same like existing project deployment. And then at least 3 days required. 1 day for unit testing or prime angular material. I think this weekend last, man. This weekend last. Next week last. Okay, fine. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow no class. No class tomorrow. You can practice this because too much content you have to practice. Okay. Yeah, Firebase not is the concept of our this course because already it's become too much. Yeah, too many concepts already there, so I can't discuss Firebase in this. So let's see if some time permits, I'll record by myself and I'll keep in the same location. But uh, Ionic, okay, Monday I'll come up with a plan. Okay, don't worry, not this is the plan. Monday I'll come up with a plan. Yes, yes, custom pipes is half an hour task. Lifecycle hooks, we are not discuss, huh? Same way, ng on it in it only. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. Monday I'll come up with a plan. Okay.
सर टेस्टिंग एंगुलर मटेरियल के बाद
Sorry.
एंगुलर मटेरियल के बाद ही ले लो सब।
After Angular material only.
ओके।
Yeah. Last class. Okay. Anyway, we'll have last day doubt session also. So you can ask me the doubts what you have after practice. Okay. So don't worry about these dates. Okay. Anyway, we came too many days now, but still okay. Just wait for few days. Batch will end up, and you get the complete Angular. Okay. Just wait for. Okay. So that's fine, and thank you so much. And let's meet tomorrow. Not tomorrow, Monday, and then we'll work with the things. Yeah, dashboard also we'll see. Okay. Yeah, I'll do it. Vijay, I'll do it. Okay, fine. So that's it. Thank you so much. Let's meet on Monday. Thank you.